الحمد لله الذي خلقنا وجعلنا من المسلمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to our Sabak program 2024 organized by Tanzimul Ummah Hifz Madrasa Lakshmipur branch. We are thrilled to have you in our today's tremendous program. Dear audience, Allah has revealed the Holy Quran for the guidance of people. A society can be enlightened through the Quran for the guidance of people. A society can be enlightened through the Quran, and preserving that Quran is a great act of worship. Respectable guests, Tanzimul Ummah is playing a significant role in madrasa education in Bangladesh. Tanzimul Ummah always promotes Islamic education with moral values to reform the society. This is how we progress in building the society of dreams. Wise presence. Tanzimul Ummah has successfully participated in various competitions at national and international level. It has also earned first prize in Dubai World Hifz competition. By the grace of Almighty, 70 students from the Tanzimul Ummah Hifz Madrasa Lakshmipur branch have memorized the entire Quran. Dear audience, no more today. Finally, thanks a lot for your kind hearing. Please keep us in your prayer to become such a Hafiz Quran who will reform the society. May Allah help us to reach our goal. Ameen. Ya Rabbal Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.